Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lenawee County in southeastern Michigan, Washtenaw County in southeastern Michigan, until 10 p.m. At 8:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Leslie to near Fayette, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Morenci, Onsted, Addison, Cement City, and Clayton around 8:50 p.m. Adrian around 9 p.m. Chelsea and Manchester around 9:05 p.m. Tecumseh and Clinton Township around 9:10 p.m. Dexter and Blissfield around 9:15 p.m. Ann Arbor, Saline, Deerfield, Britain, and Whitmore Lake around 9:20 p.m. Ypsilanti, Milan, and Dixboro around 9:30 p.m. Salem around 9:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Manitou Beach, Devil's Lake, Whitaker, Ogden Center, Canandaigua, Hudson Mills Metro Park, Ridgeway, Delhi Mills, Palmyra, Pleasant Lake, and Sand Creek. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, Lenawee and Washtenaw.